Rambo. Here we go. This is a live wire, it looks like. Is this a live wire? No, it's not. I see an air intake. All right, so nice sleeves. It only protects you from the sun, but not the ground. Whoa! So he saw that ahead of time. Remember, planning your ride. You located that hazard. He did a good job. That's not a big deal at that point. So here we go. Going through here, we have, oh, somebody high-sided over it. Maybe they hit something, panic broke a little bit. Oh! Did his chain break? Did it lock up? Well, his crash guards broke. Something locked up. Whoa. I don't think he did. What do you guys think happened? No road debris. Write in the comments what you guys think happened. I have absolutely no idea what happened there. Write it in the comments. I want to learn what you guys might think. Just start brainstorming. That's what we do here at the MTC Rider Academy. You know, MTC, Motorcycle Training Concepts. We're learning about that. It could be downshift, yeah. No, I have no idea. That's honestly, if something like that happens and you have no idea, why do we have gear? Just in case. We're being smart riders. We're going to acquire and use personal protective equipment because we don't know sometimes. Yeah, sudden chain loss. I don't know. 99 Greaves. Here we go. 30 miles per hour. Side of the vehicle. You saw the headlights and the taillights moving over, moving back. Did a good job. Adapted to that. Planned his ride. He just adapted. Here we go. So Psycho P4T. Oh, we got a side of a big vehicle here. Don't worry about the rev bomb. He can't get out of your way. Just get out of his way. The lug nut rule is going to be the thing here. Here we go. So big boy Sean. Here we go. Going through here. Oh, road surface. Oh, lost some traction on probably what that white stuff is. So if it starts to look discolored on the ground, make sure you move over to the area that looks like it is asphalt. Side of the vehicle right there. Good job on the escape path. Did a great job. So he sees it and he's going to accelerate through because you can't just brake. So he swerved and accelerated through. Very good. Big DD, motorcycle data. Okay. Anyways, weren't paying attention to the last second. We were hoping that they wouldn't do that, and we barely moved over. Use more of the escape path, but you did good. You got yourself out of there. Seb Rider going around here, going nice and slow because you don't know what's in the road. Ooh, maybe just a little inexperience on the slow speed maneuvers. If you want to practice your slow speed maneuvers, we do have a cone pattern kit. We have the motorcycle training drills. Every booklet is signed by me. You can practice your slow speed stuff. It's mainly stuff under 20 miles per hour in a parking lot, 40 by 60. And if you want to get the cone kit with it, we got a bunch of cones also. That's why we got the crash bars. Yes. All right, here. Whoa, we'll go a little too wide. Got very lucky. Found an escape path out of there. Got an escape path. Oh. All right, clone biker going through. Oh, side of the vehicle. Apply the brakes. Move out of the way. You don't need to keep honking the horn. He knows you're there. All right, moving through here. Having a little bit of fun here in the road. Oh, no. Oh, no. Now he's all soaking wet. Gross. It's all good. Sounded like a downshift that wasn't rev matched. Cringe biker. Here we go. Going through here. We got a side of the vehicle. Oh, no. Somebody crashed going into Shell. Probably because the gas prices are insanely high, and he's hoping just to sue him for the bike damage and insurance. Interesting choice of place to crash, though. What did we hit? Oh, we probably hit the curb right there. Bounced around and lost control of the motorcycle. Rider was okay. He did not sustain any injuries, and neither did the bike. That's a bike?
Dude, you got it going quick. You were moving.
Yeah, dude.
All right, here we go. Crashing sucks. Yes, it does. Here we go. We're getting through here. Oh! He was about to wear some gloves, buddy, just in case you put your hands out and crash. You're going to ruin your hands. So asterisk 19 going through here. We moved over. Watch out. This person might merge into you. Yep, there it is. Never stay in somebody's blind spot. If it does happen, do what he did and just get yourself out of there. Duro 77. This looks like a lot of fun, man. You're going to have a great time, except for when you crash and your buddy crashes and then there's a big ditch right there. So it's always important to have your friends go first. And so you watch them crash, rescue them, obviously, and then you don't crash. All right, side of the vehicle going through here. He swerved left to say more. Swerve right to get yourself out of there. Come on now. Get on the gears. Here we go. No gloves whatsoever. I don't understand it. We got a helmet and high vis, but no gloves. Not being a smart rider. Slow it down. You're going 100 miles an hour to a sharp right turn. Are you going to be able to handle it? Thankfully, he was able to slow down and get himself out of there. Now, did his buddy? Is he looking back for his buddy? Maybe not. I don't know. So, Mr. Big Pipes. Oh, no. Don't stop on an uneven ground and put your right foot on the lower part. The ground's not going to be there until it's too late. So, don't stop on uneven ground. And if you're going to, lean over to the highest point versus leaning over to the lowest point. It's a very big rookie move. When I'm out at a stoplight and there's a median, I like to park next to the median and put my foot there because I'm really, really short. So Licks DY, whatever her name is. Oh, there's the low side. We just watched that on MotoStars. Be very careful. Don't haul ass around corners. Slow look, press and roll, all that stuff. Make sure you guys join the MTC Rider Academy. Santee Motovlogs, watch out, merge issue. Our lane is moving. Their lane isn't. So they're going to want to move over to the lane that is moving. So when you see stuff like that, stay away. Stagger with other vehicles. All right, bad rider going through here. Obviously a bad rider. Okay, side of the vehicle right there. And we're going to get pissed off at him because of that. But we're riding like a dum-dum. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. So Rodolph VLS, side of the vehicle. Get yourself out of there. Oh, got an impact. That's a crash. That's a crash. No buenos. No buenos. Guys, you need to not just be accelerating through these areas. I understand in different countries, different cultures, different ways of doing things. But if you're going to be doing these things, you have to understand that intersections are dangerous. So you got to be really careful and don't just try to push it through everything. So is that snow on the ground? That must be a lot of ice on the ground. It's not the time to practice your slow speed maneuvers, okay? It's not the time to practice your Smart Rider motorcycle training drills. But if you want to, go ahead. Practice like you play. If you want to practice on black ice, go right ahead. Look at that. Not good. BXMMM, here we go. 90-something miles an hour, going around a sharp right turn. This person can't handle it. Thankfully, no other vehicles were in the road because that would have been a head-on collision and he would have been dead. And there's the vehicle. If he was just there a couple seconds later, nope. Please be sure the road is empty when you want to cross an intersection. Okay. Oh. Good job on not panic braking. Remember, we need to do good progressive braking. Okay, progressive braking is what's going to get you out of here. The adventure prone. Oh, went a little wide on the corner. Remember, slow look, press and roll is what we need to be doing. And, he almost dropped it too. So our buddy crashed. We need to remain calm. We need to rescue him ourselves. But remember, remain calm, ensure our own safety. And if he has any major bleeds, stop those major bleeds.